Hey everyone! If you look behind me, you see a few things. You see trees, you see a bright blue sky, and you can tell that the sun is shining. But that's not always the case. Sometimes when our weather changes, we have different kinds of precipitation. The one specifically that I would like to focus on would be rain. When we have rain, oftentimes, once the rain is over, we see a rainbow. And we're always curious and fascinated about the beauty of the rainbow, and as children we want to chase to the end of the rainbow, and no matter how fast your car goes, you can't catch up. But what causes a rainbow? That's what we're going to look at today. So the standard that we're going to be introducing is 1-PS4.B, which is electromagnetic radiation. Objects can be seen if light is available to illuminate them or if they give off their own light. So I want you to think about that. I know it sounds a bit confusing, but think about what we know about rainbows. We've learned already that rainbows are a reflection of light off of water. But how? How is that possible? And the next thing that I really want to focus on is this: a double rainbow. And we know that double rainbows are amazing, but how? How are they formed? And where do they come from? How if you have one rainbow because of the way the water is being hit by the sunlight or another light object of light, how do you get two rainbows? Do they just come from two separate sets of rain systems? Is there some kind of mirror in the sky that's causing a second image? What causes it? And why sometimes do you have a double rainbow when other times you just have one? How rare is a double rainbow? Is it really as rare as we think? Now here are some examples of some double rainbows. And one of the things I'd like to point out, and here's a closer image, is why is it reversed? Start thinking about that. Why is it reversed? Is it because there's a mirror? Or is there a scientific explanation? There are people around the whole world who experience
Whoa, that's a
these,
full
and they are
rainbow.
amazed. Let's
All
check
the
out
way.
this gentleman's video.
Double rainbow. Oh my god. It's a double rainbow all the way. Whoa, that's so intense. Whoa, man. Wow. Whoa. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now I'm willing to bet that you've seen a double rainbow and felt the same excitement. However, did you ever wonder what caused that double rainbow? We'll find out soon.